With the help of this feature, you can take full information of any photo. इस फीचर की मदद से आप कोई भी फोटो का फुल इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हो. How to use in this feature? First, open the Chrome browser. Search www.google.com. Click the three dot. Click the desktop site. Click the camera icon. Click the upload an image. Click the choose the file. Click file. Select your image. For example, Donald Trump. Full information of this photo like video, website, photo size and other photo and many more detail. Another example, Burj Khalifa. Virat Kohli. Mercedes cars. Added in phone screen in this feature. Click the three dot. Click the add to home screen. Hope enjoy this video. Like this video, subscribe this channel and share your friend, and thank you for watching this video.